Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can create your gmgn account using your wallet, in this case your Phantom wallet. So let's get started. Now first off, you would need to go to the sign up page. So if you guys want to get 30% discount on your trading fees, you can use my referral link from the description below, and that way you can save some money while trading. And now let's continue. So once you're here, go ahead and click sign in with wallet. And in this case, they're not offering Phantom, so we will continue with our MetaMask wallet. So just go ahead and click MetaMask, and then you would need to log in into your MetaMask wallet. After you're logged in, just go ahead and click connect, and then you would need to sign the transaction or sign the account connection. So just go ahead and click confirm. And now your gmgn account has been created. Again, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my referral link from the description below, and that way you can save some money. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.